So this is a disclaimer at the beginning of the video. This is only going to be for standard style headlight rams. If you have factory HID setups, it will not work. Welcome back, YouTube. You're back with FatGuyBuilds once again. We got some new Oedro parts. Got some nice headlights with some cool daytime running light setup. And we have ourselves a 1500 ram, and we're going to install this stuff step by step. They come wrapped on the face with plastic so they don't get scratched, and then they have foam wrapped all the way around the back so they don't get damaged in shipping. Take both headlights out of the box, but leave the plastic on the front of the headlight until the very end. You're going to need a panel popper, flathead screwdriver of some sort to pop these clips out. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, 5 of them, 6 of them. Now we need to remove the grill. So you got 10mm here, 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 and here. To get the bottom of the grill off, you tilt the top of the grill out, which unhooks this edge from this hole, and then at the same time you put your arm down and pull the bottom of the grill out. It'll pop out with these little metal clips. You do that on both sides. Now you're going to take this 10mm and this 10mm out. In the wheel well, you're going to have this little flap. Take a flathead, pop this clip out, and then this will open. In the wheel well, you have this little plastic flap. Under the flap, there's going to be a 10mm right there in the center of the screen. Let me zoom in. You're going to have to take that out. Behind the light, you have this little plastic piece. You're going to reach through that same hole in the back and you push it up. When you push it up, it disengages from here and it puts an opening so that this piece will come out. So to get these connectors off, they both have these red safety tabs. Push the red safety tabs up, and then you can squeeze the connector, wiggle it off. Peel this little piece of protector tape off. You grab the factory bulb and you're going to slide it in. You're going to use the factory clips for the wiring harness, plug them into the light. Then this will end up getting plugged here, and the green one will get plugged into the headlight here. But before we do the blinker, we're going to splice these wires here for the daytime running light. For the wiring, on the passenger side, the wire is going to be white with a brown stripe and a black. So I pulled back the little flex here to the first piece. I measured halfway, cut it. I use these weather stripping style crimpers. So you crimp it and then you heat shrink it down so it forms a water seal. And so the red one goes to the white with the brown stripe, and then the black one goes to the black one. So when it's all plugged in, you just put a little piece of tape back on it, and that runs to the daytime running, and you just plug everything back in. Alright, on the driver's side now, you're going to need the white with the green line is your positive, and the black is your negative. Here's the nice peel for you guys. So here's what it looked like before. Here's what it looks like after. Here it is with the amber bulb. It's a 3057. It's an alternate part number. That's the one we're using. Here's the package for the bulbs we're using. Alright, so here we go with the running lights. And then with the headlights on. And then I'll just push the hazards. So with the hazards on, you can see what it looks like. Obviously it's the middle of the day, but hey guys, thanks for checking out another Fat Guy Builds. This install was pretty straightforward, pretty easy. The directions though, for the wiring, it only gave you the passenger side wiring colors, not the driver's side colors, so you're welcome. I added that to the video. They look great. I got no complaints. And the fitment of them, everything lines up, so I was happy with that. It would be sweet if for maybe like 50 bucks more they came with a super awesome like LED bulbs installed, or it came with the kit, so instead of getting the standard light bulbs, you got LED light bulbs inside. So till next time, wrench on.